when life gives you snow, well, you make ice cream. I mean, like, who didn't love ice cream as a kid? Who doesn't love ice cream as an adult? Who didn't eat snow as a kid? So, we're making snow ice cream in about 5 minutes. Let me show you how you do it. All right, the first thing you're gonna need is 10 to 12 cups of fresh snow. So let's take the top layer off here, get some clean, fresh snow, nothing yellow. For a cupper here, there's 4, there's 8, let's call that 10 to 12. All right, let's get inside and make this. All right, so we got our fresh snow, about 12 cups. We're gonna need 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And we're just gonna sprinkle this around here. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. You can actually read it now because I opened the wrong side. All right. Now, what we do is mix until it looks like ice cream. Not gonna be as easy as it sounded. Because we're trying not to get snow all over the kitchen. And this would be a great project for the kids. It takes about 5 minutes to make this. Hardest part is finding clean snow. All right, the snow's starting to melt a little bit, mixed with the sweetened condensed milk. Yeesh, my arm's getting tired here. I think if the snow melts just a little bit more, we're probably in good shape. Because it's kind of dry-ish. Starting to look like ice cream. Take a look at that. Again, maybe as the snow melts just a little bit more. It does say if you can't get it creamy looking, you can add just a touch of milk to smooth it out a little bit. We might actually do that. All right, let's see. All right, 1 more teaspoon-ish for good measure. So that's about 2 teaspoons of milk for good measure. Oh yeah, that makes all the difference right there. Look at that smoothing right out. Kind of looks like homemade ice cream. All right, one thing you want to do, and you notice this in all baking, we're just going to give just a touch of salt. So just a little sprinkle, and we're going to give it another quick mix here. And there you go. Look at that. That looks like a pretty good ice cream right there. So we're going to get a little ice cream in our bowl. Look at that. We're going to give it just a little bit. You can say a drizzle of chocolate syrup. And some Luxardo cherries. We only use Luxardo because these are the best. I know it's not red like a regular cherry, but if you've tried these, ooh, yeah. All right, take a look at that. All right, that's all there is to making snow ice cream. Super easy, great project for the kids if they're home on a snow day. And let's give this a taste and see how we did. Wow, that's actually really good. Who'd have thought snow would make really good ice cream? This stuff is amazing. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this, and apparently I got a whole bowl of ice cream to eat yet, so I had a lot of good Luxardo cherries. I appreciate you stopping. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and have a great day. Enjoying this.